I grew my Pinterest account from 0 to 11,252 followers by posting 20 Pinterest pins every single day for 30 days. Here's the step-by-step process I use to automate content for Pinterest. Step 1. Find trending topics. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you're posting content people actually want to see. To research this, head over to PinClicks. If you don't have an account, there's a free trial you can sign up for right on the homepage, which is perfect for testing this out without spending anything up front. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with a few options. Look for Keyword Explorer and click it. This tool helps you find what people are searching for in Pinterest, which is key because you want topics that already have an audience. Click on the filter menu and scroll down until you find a topic that you're interested in, like food and drink. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be focusing on meal prep today, so this will keep our results relevant to that niche. Now move up to the search bar at the top, type in your topic, like meal prep, and press enter. After a moment, a list pops up with keywords and their search volumes. These numbers tell you how many people are looking for each idea, so you can pick ones with decent traffic but not so much competition that you'll get buried. Take your time scrolling through to spot a few that feel doable. When you've got a good handful, look at the top of the list and click Export. A drop-down appears and you want to select CSV. This downloads a file with all those keywords which you'll use next. It's a simple way to grab data fast, and I rely on it because it cuts out the guesswork of picking topics. Step 2. Organize your research. With that list ready, it's time to lay everything out in Airtable. Sign up for a free account and log in. Now, create a new base and name it Pinterest Blog Topics. Once it's created, you'll see a blank table. Look for an option called Import Data and click it. A window opens and you can upload that CSV file you downloaded from PinClicks. Select the file from your Downloads folder and hit Upload. Airtable pulls in all the keywords and sets them up in a table automatically. Rename this table to Topics by clicking the table name at the top and typing it in. Check the columns to make sure you've got target keyword, niche, and status. If they're not there, you can add them by clicking the plus sign next to the last column and typing in each phrase. Target keyword is where your PinClicks terms go. Niche will be food and drink for all of them. And status tracks what's done or pending. To keep things clean, click the magnifying glass icon at the top, type in something like meal prep breakfast ideas, and see if it's already in there. If nothing shows up, it's not listed yet, which is good. Click Add, New Record at the bottom, type in a keyword like simple meal prep lunches, set niche to food and drink, and status to do. Do this for 10 to 20 keywords from your list, like meal prep for weight loss or quick meal prep dinners. It takes a few minutes, but having everything in one spot means you won't accidentally repeat yourself later, which I've found saves a ton of hassle. Step 3. Automate blog writing. We're going to use Make and ChatGPT for this. Head over to Make. Sign up for their free tier. After logging in, click Create a new scenario. This is where you build a workflow that does everything on autopilot for you. Click the big plus button in the middle. Type Airtable into the search bar and select Watch Records. Follow the prompts to connect your Airtable account. Once it's connected, choose your Pinterest blog topics base, then pick the topics table. This tells Make to watch that table for new entries. Click the clock icon at the top and set it to run every 4 hours. Next, add another module by clicking the plus button again. Type ChatGPT into the search and select Create a Completion. Connect your ChatGPT account here using their API key. In the prompt box, put this in. This tells ChatGPT to write a full post based on whatever keyword Make pulls from Airtable. To get the post somewhere where you can access it, add one more module. Click the plus button, search Google Docs, and select Create a Document. Connect your Google account, then set it to name the doc with the target keyword and paste the ChatGPT output into it. Save and turn on the scenario. Every 4 hours, Make grabs a keyword. ChatGPT writes a 1,000-word post, and it lands in Google Docs. When it's done, open Google Docs, find the new file, copy the whole post, go to Medium, log in, click Write, paste it into the editor, and save it as a draft. I set this up because typing out posts manually takes forever, and this way, you've got a draft ready to polish in no time. Step 4. Add visuals. Next, we're creating images with Ideogram. Their free tier lets you generate images, which is all we need here. Log in. Then, open your Medium draft and look at the subheadings ChatGPT wrote. Copy those subheadings one by one. In Ideogram, click Batch near the top, then click Download Template. This gives you a CSV file to fill out. Open that file in Google Sheets. You'll see columns like title and aspect ratio. In the title column, paste each subheading and add the target keyword after it. Keep going for all your subheadings. Then add one more row at the bottom and type Pinterest pin for target keyword, like simple meal prep lunches. In the aspect ratio column, set every row to 9:16, which is the tall Pinterest size, except the last one, which gets 16:9 for a wider blog photo. Save the file as a CSV, naming it something like mealprepimages.csv. Back in Ideogram, click Upload, find your CSV in your downloads, and click Start Batch Generation. It takes a few minutes to finish, depending on how many rows you have. When it's done, you'll see a few image options for each title. Scroll through, find the one you like best for each, right-click it, select Download as JPEG, and name them clearly, like Simple Meal Prep Lunches one. Now add your images to your Medium post. Scroll to the first subheading, click the plus icon below it, choose Image, and upload the file named Simple Meal Prep Lunches one from your downloads. Do this for all of the subheadings. If you've got that 16:9 featured photo, add it at the top by clicking the plus icon above the intro and uploading it there. When everything's set, scroll to the bottom, set the category to food and drink, and add tags like meal prep and healthy lunches. Click Publish to make it live. Adding images this way makes the post more clickable on Pinterest, and I've noticed it keeps people on the page longer, which helps with traffic. Step 5. Schedule pins. Go to Tailwind, sign up for free, and connect your Pinterest account. Then grab Tailwind's browser extension for free. It's a little icon you'll add to your browser toolbar. Open your published Medium post. Click the Tailwind extension twice to pull up all the images on the page. You'll see thumbnails of everything in the post. Check the boxes for all the 9:16 vertical images, skipping the 16:9 photo or anything tiny that won't work as a pin. Click Go Schedule at the bottom. Click Add Board to All and choose a board like Meal Prep Hacks. For each pin, click the clock icon next to it. Pick a date a week apart, like April 4th and April 11th, and set a time, maybe 7:03 p.m. Keep the dates spread out so your board stays active over weeks, not just one day. Click Schedule when you've set them all. Once you get familiar with the process, you can easily scale up to 20 pins a day, which is what I did without having to log into my Pinterest every time. Start with one post to get comfortable, then ramp up when you see the flow. Pinterest loves consistency, and this setup delivers it. Will you be trying this process out? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.